Okay, welcome to the second video in our director's commentary series. Basically what we're going to do is we're going to talk about the videos that came out that week, and we're going to kind of give you our inside scoop on what we were thinking, what was happening, and kind of give you behind the scenes information. It's normally going to be only for our patrons. We've already got one out that was patrons only. It's just kind of an extra perk if you are a patron. If you'd like to become a patron for as little as $1 a week, that's $4 a month. And then you get access to all these videos plus a bunch of extras. You can go to patreon.com/sailingdoodles.
And we're also giving away a yacht charter.
Yes, we are. Actually, technically, Gulf Charters Thailand is giving away a 1-week yacht charter to our viewers. It's pretty simple to enter. There's 3 ways to enter. You subscribe to our channel, you just follow our Instagram, and then you sign up for the Gulf Charters
newsletter,
and you get 3 entries. And so if you'd like to do that, it is in the show notes. You can check that out. But all right, on to the video. Let's start.
Fun stuff.
Fun stuff. Let's start right now.
We had a few days in Fakarava, but
unfortunately,
I like the atolls. Yeah.
Yeah, they were really cool. We only got to spend about a week in the atolls there. We could have spent 3 or 4 weeks.
I would love to go back there.
Yeah, that's kind of. I think we're even talking about it here coming up. We're talking about sailing on a schedule. It kind of sucks having to
leave.
Having to leave. Yeah, we only spent a week there, so and then here we were talking about there's no wind, but we still got to go, so we're using diesel to do it. It kind of
couldn't wait for the wind. Had to go.
Most people spend like a couple months in French Polynesia, and we spent maybe 3 weeks, a month at the most. Yeah, about 3 weeks to a month.
It's kind of a hassle using the jerry cans, but sometimes you just can't.
Look at you guys working together.
Well, yeah, that's. Oh, here it goes.
Taught me a lesson. Stay away from there.
I've already. There's somebody said that it's karma for your haircut that you gave me.
Except for this happened like a month ago.
Well, so it's still karma. Karma, there's no timeline on karma. I didn't know what happened at first.
Yeah, we're not plugged in. I couldn't have used the ice maker or anything.
Well,
help with any swelling.
Put a cold beer down there and helps with the swelling.
I wanted to sit in the freezer, Bobby.
You were a good sport about it, though. You definitely.
I think everybody wanted an update. There's a lot of screaming, a lot of F-bombs.
Yeah, I block out a lot of it.
Yeah.
No, but you came back remarkably quick. I thought you were just going to be in a bad mood all day because you got stung in a.
Well, you said there wasn't a stinger, so I was like, well, great.
Yeah.
Then I should be fine.
You should. You were. It wasn't bad. Yeah. Bee stings. I've been stung by a couple bees on this trip, man. It sucks. Actually, very first day we went, the very first sail on the rough seas when we were leaving Houston, I got stung by a bee putting the sail up.
Where at? Your hand?
Yeah, my hand. I think
it's kind of a different spot.
Yeah.
Different nerves there, buddy.
Well, hey, it still hurt. I don't know. Your hand has some of the most high density, nerve endings.
It does.
So there you go.
So it does.
Yeah. Anyway, so.
So with the bee crisis averted, it was time to head.
I really liked Fakarava, but we were looking forward to Rangiroa too. I think it was.
They both were awesome.
Yeah, they both had their benefits. Oh.
You know what place has good diving when the
second time we've seen them. We must be sailing in the right direction.
Yeah, we saw them in La Paz. They were checking the seals and the whales and stuff. And we saw them here. I guess doing the shark diving. Yeah. There's a ton of them. And this was a bit hairy.
Look at that sunset, though.
Yeah, it was pretty.
So
we were
pretty.
A bit delayed, so the tide was already going out by the time, we left.
We went for it.
Yeah, but I mean, it was not bad. It was definitely choppy, but.
Oh yeah.
Definitely more choppy than I went. I was kind of annoyed when I watched the video that the water maker was out there. It's tied up, but I didn't know.
That's our baby.
I asked for it to be put away when I was doing something else, and somebody put it away there. So anyway, oh well.
It was an overnight sail to Rangiroa.
And so you can see from the swells there, there's still very little wind. I think we motored the whole way because there's no wind.
Tequila and passion fruit.
Yeah, that's true. I just don't like that. I don't know. Passion fruit. I've never been a passion fruit fan.
I love passion fruit. You don't like any juices but OJ.
I do apple juice and
OJ.
Yeah, I know. And we got, it's nice having a crew helping with sails and stuff like that. Makes it a lot easier to put stuff.
Look how pretty it looks.
I think in the next video we actually put the sail bag on, so that makes it a lot easier too.
Your boat looks so much better with that sail bag.
Oh yeah, it makes it look.
Rangiroa is a big atoll.
So Fakarava only had one pass.
Quite dangerous.
No, it's two.
South and north.
Rangiroa has two. So it's got a whole lot of water coming out of there. I mean, that tide's moving at 5 or 6 knots easy.
It's ripping.
Yeah. And so actually we saw it the night before it was even more massive. So I wanted to video it with
tide,
a drone.
which can be
So.
up to 5 or 6 knots, meets incoming waves. which
So,
pile up on
so
each
basically, the tide is coming out at 5 or 6 knots, and the waves are coming in, so they pile up on each other and make these standing waves that are huge. The camera doesn't do it justice. Those are easily 8 foot tall.
And guess who's there?
Yeah, well,
Playing in all this.
I didn't even know there was such a thing, and then I'm sitting there filming, and I see that. I'm like, what was that?
And
you
Ring-
can see me stop the drone.
Really
I'm like, what was
surprised
that?
to see what was playing.
And then, so I kind of look over and I'm waiting for it, and then I see it again. I'm like, holy crap, look how much air that dolphin
They're
has.
all playing
Yeah.
in the waves. So this Rangiroa is known for their friendly dolphins.
Yeah.
So when you dive in the pass, they'll come up to you,
Yeah.
interact.
Yeah. How fun would that be to be a dolphin doing that?
They know where to be and at what time.
Oh, yeah.
Have some fun.
They're smart.
They're-
It's really cool.
Now, if we just have some bioluminescence there,
Right. Have them do it at night. That'd be cool.
that'd be really cool to watch. Ghost dolphins.
In a previous video, we had ghost dolphins from the bioluminescence. Yeah. They're too long to explain right now.
Bioluminescence.
But how cool is that? I mean, those dolphins are getting some air.
That's just so cool. That would look like a big dolphin and a little one.
Yeah. And he's teaching the young ones how to play, you know?
Yeah. Follow me.
Yeah, it's really cool. It's a cool spot for sure.
See, there's another little one going for it.
Apparently the divers here, the dolphins will come up to divers too.
Yep.
Yeah, so.
And they're kind of pinkish.
What, the dolphins?
The dolphins are.
I don't know.
I saw them.
Okay.
I think when we're coming in or out, they came and checked us out for a minute.
Did they?
They look pinkish.
Yeah. But it was a pretty cool little deal. I
And
didn't
they're
expect
big.
that.
These are
Yeah.
big dolphins.
Oh yeah, they were getting 6 feet long or more.
Yeah.
Probably more.
These are like jumbo dolphins.
Yeah. There's a bunch of little dolphins when we were crossing the Pacific. But
Yep.
these guys are definitely bigger. I don't know what those little ones are only like 3 to 4 feet long.
There's not much going on this island. We took a bike ride, but it's really pretty.
Yeah. This is kind of resort island. I mean, there's no.
Good spot to go to get away from it all,
Yeah.
that's for sure. A lot of privacy here.
I think we talk about it in a minute, but those overwater bungalows and stuff, pretty nice, but expensive. So
Yeah, way too expensive.
yeah, we wanted to look into it, but oh well.
You're like, whoa, ouch.
Yeah, so. But we had the same view, right? So that's
Yeah.
one of the things they say is that you could be parked next to a $100 million yacht, but you still have the same view, even though on your $30,000 boat. So. And so we had the same view as those people that were paying $1,000 a night for their overwater
It'd be
bungalow.
awesome to just anchor the boat
And there
right
was a
here
lot of
and, like,
boat activity because the Ark was coming through there.
Yeah, there was the Ark, which is the Atlantic Rally Crossing, but they've expanded that from just the Atlantic to now they go all the way around the world.
So they started in St. Lucia when?
Yeah, well, they actually start. That leg of that part of the Ark starts in St. Lucia, and but the rest of it starts like in the Azores going across.
Bungalows were pretty amazing, but at $1,000 a night,
We just went there for cocktails.
Yeah, those are still expensive. You can see Laura here is like guiding us. Like you can see her pointing because there's all sorts of coral heads we're dodging.
Oh yeah.
So.
A lot of them just almost come up to the surface.
canoeing is the national sport here. at Rice.
That
We made it to
weekend
the
there
dock.
was
Big
3 or
race
4
going by.
canoe races. Or
That
more.
was really cool.
It was pretty
Guys
cool.
and girls and
Some of those guys were really fast and strong.
that was pretty cool.
You're gonna be the next racer in the canoe. You got a women's division, right?
I think you'd be good at it. You got some guns.
You got some guns. Yeah,
You don't want me to get any
Oh,
stronger.
that's true. She might beat me up.
We are a shade.
Hold you down.
The best event we've found
Okay.
in all of Prince and Polynesia so far.
But
And I
There-
just saw we've been averaging.
most
This was
of
our second home
yeah,
when we were there.
yeah, we were there a lot
0.6
because they had internet.
megabits
Like,
per second.
We
there's
were
no-
there
That's almost
before they
dial-up.
even opened,
Yeah.
and then hours later.
Oh, no, I
we
can't-
camped out.
So,
Yeah.
no, there were several times at night. I would come at like a midnight to 3 in the morning. I'd sit out there and upload because there was nobody else on the internet, and I could actually upload a
This rate,
video.
it'll only take us like
I mean,
4
it takes
hours to upload a video.
3 to 4. It's so ridiculous because there's no phone internet on the island. I mean, there's phone.
There's
no-
5 people in there all on that Wi-Fi. I mean, it's just
Oh,
like
yeah.
zoom, it's slow again.
Well, it's only like
So you got to camp out at
it's
night.
only like 0.6 megabits a second is like is all the bandwidth that thing has. So if you get like 5 people on there, you're using 0.1 megabits a second per person, which is like 1/5 of dial-up speed. So.
And you were really happy for that. We're like, yeah, this is so
yeah.
much better
Well,
than
because
the
in
Marquesas.
the Marquesas we were only getting like 0.3 on the high end.
That took days.
Oh, it took 15 hours to upload the one
I mean, I
video.
seriously thought
very
like,
friendly.
oh my god, you weren't gonna make it. It was going to be so slow.
We used to, like, I used to in the
Rangiroa.
Bahamas upload it at 720p instead of 1080p. We had some people complaining about it, so I now I do everything in 1080p. But I'm like, it's so hard to do that.
this lady's restaurant
Thank
too.
you all
She
for
kept
really
her
nice.
bags for us.
Yeah, she did.
She saw we left them there, and she moved them in the back, and was like, "Don't leave your bags here."
So that was the bee sting episode.
That could have been so much worse.
It could have been a lot worse. Yeah, it didn't quite
You
get
didn't even get a video of the bee. He was probably still hanging out.
Well, I
there,
know
like,
I wanted a video of him, but somebody threw him overboard already by the time I got back.
Oh,
with
really?
The camera. Yeah,
Make sure no one else got hurt.
Yeah, I guess so. So, if you like this, if you like the director's commentary style thing, become a patron. Patreon.com/sailingdoodles. You can do it for $1 a week. We never charge more than $1 one episode a week. And
So we're gonna do them in order, right? And then we're
Yeah.
also gonna do some of the favorites in the past.
yeah. So I think the first one started at episode 84, and this is episode 85. We'll keep going as they go. We may not hit every one because we're doing more than one video a week now. Sometimes we're doing 2 videos a week. We're only gonna do one
Do
of these
our
a week.
favorites.
Yeah, but we'll kind of do our favorite ones. But
And then also, don't forget, we're
What's-
giving away a
yeah, free yacht charter.
free yacht for you
7
and 7
nights.
of your friends.
7, yeah,
Or
so 8
7
people.
nights.
8 people. It's pretty cool. It's worth at least $5,000 or $6,000. So, and cruising in Thailand is pretty awesome. So, there's a link in the show notes for that. Sign up's really easy. So, we'll catch you next time.
All right, bye.